want some coffee right now.
Yeah, get some coffee then.
I need some coffee. I need some coffee. Yeah. Egg, sausage, McGriddle.
No sausage.
Got you. I need a sausage.
I'm gonna take a chicken McGriddle.
You better let me get a bite. Just a little mini bite. Come on. I always give you bites. Come on. Can I please have a chicken McGriddle? Okay. Just one.
What is up, guys, and welcome to another cheat day video, and welcome back to
a motherfucking cheat day!
Florida.
Oh.
I'm so happy to be back. I'm so excited. I can't contain myself. I'm so happy to be back. Today is going to be a freaking awesome day. I'm super excited, and I had to start with Nani's donuts. He makes the craziest creation here in Florida, and I'm super excited for those donuts. But first,
You want to try this? Seriously, try this.
okay, first, this is a French vanilla coffee.
This thing's getting me hyped right now.
Oh, that's good. That's strong. Holy cow.
It is strong.
And what I got here is a McGriddle, but not any McGriddle. It's a chicken McGriddle. For you guys who don't know what a McGriddle is, it's basically pancake buns with a little maple syrup in them, and then they put fried chicken on it. There's no sauce on this.
Oh.
There's literally no sauce on this,
You don't
so
need sauce.
this is pretty I don't know, disappointing at this point.
No, it has a McGriddle on top and bottom. It's all you need.
Yeah, but it's a little okay. Let me get.
My mouth is watery.
The McGriddle is just so good.
You don't need nothing in that.
No, you really don't. Wow, that's so good.
I'm about to circle the drive-thru real quick.
Really?
No, I shouldn't.
You want it?
No. That is really good, huh? Thank you for sharing. That must be hard for you, huh?
No, it's because it's you, so I can do it.
It would be hard for me.
Really?
No. What the hell? I always share stuff with you.
And this one is really good.
Yeah, it is good. Because the chicken is not dry. That chicken is moist. That chicken is hella moist.
It has a crunch to it. Don't finish it, yeah?
Yeah, finish it. Just kidding.
Amazing. When you watch this video right now, go to McDonald's and get a chicken McGriddle. It's amazing. And it's genius of McDonald's because they don't need to apply sauce, nothing. It's so simple, but it's so good. And now we're going to Nani's stove. Guys, so we are back from Nani's dough. I want to give a huge shout out to Nani for hooking us up with his amazing donuts. Like I said, when you're here in the area, South Florida, Delray, right? Yeah, Delray. Delray, please go check out Nani's dough and tell him I sent you. We got amazing
So damn good.
They're the best donuts here in Florida, in my opinion. And we got 6 donuts, cronuts, and croissants, and I am ready to smash these. Are you ready too?
I'm damn ready.
Let's do this. All right, I'm going first with Thai tea donut. What are you going first
You're gonna
with?
do Thai tea?
Yeah, I'm gonna do the Thai tea.
So let's go ahead and cheers.
Cheers.
Boom, and let's do this.
Oh, his donuts are so good. Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh my god, so good!
I don't know what this cream is, but it's so good.
We're almost to the promised land. You can see the cream poking out.
This is so good, yeah? What are you going for next? I'm gonna go with this is a raspberry cronut. I'm gonna go with a raspberry cronut right here. You too? Wow. Wow. This cronut though. I don't think it can get any fluffier than this cronut. This is amazing. Isn't that so good? Wow.
Look at those flakes. Check those flakes out.
This dough is fantastic.
Check those flakes out right there.
Wow.
Check out those flakes. Oh, just dropped it. Wait. Wait for me.
We're going for the lotus, the cookie butter. Look, check this out. That is just greatness right there.
Boom, and this thing is a planet size. This is a pretty
big.
This is a pretty solid donut right here. I just don't know how to eat it. I'm
gonna eat the cookie. I cannot get over the fact how good the dough is. It's so light and flaky and moist. It's fantastic.
We've almost made it to the promised land.
Isn't that amazing? Wow. Nani, you're killing it. This is great. This is so good. And he didn't just put Biscoff in it. He made a cream with it.
Oh, it is so good.
It was amazing. Wow.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10. That was a 10 out of 10. Yeah, it's sticky, but it looks great.
All right, we're on our next donut, and this is called a Cinnabon.
Donut bun. It's a donut bun.
Okay.
Donut bun.
Here we go.
Cheers. Oh my god. What the hell? Oh my god. I don't know what he did today, but these donuts are... Every donut I had so far is a 10 out of 10. Wow.
Yeah.
That's amazing. It's better than a cinnamon roll. Trust me guys, it's worth it to travel to Florida for Nani's dough. I'm going next with a red velvet croissant. So
what? That's red velvet?
Yeah, inside.
That's crazy.
It's good.
That's so crazy.
Oh my god.
Was that like a... What is that, like cake in there?
It's cake and a croissant.
That's so crazy.
It is crazy. It's very good. Fantastic. Fantastic. And I wanted to say I saved the best for last, but there's no best. They're all a 10 out of 10. Really, they're so good. I love these.
Do you? You better do be.
So lastly, of course, I could not go without Nutella. So here is the fantastic Corona with Nutella on top.
We're ending it with a banger. Boom.
Bang. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Just a banger right here.
So good. No. You full?
Huh? It's so crazy because before I eat this, it looks like a very heavy donut. And then when I start eating it, it's so light and fluffy.
That was Nani's dough donuts, and I don't know what he did. He stepped up his game, even though he was amazing before. Like today, that was a bang. So thank you so much, Nani, for these amazing donuts. And like I said, go check them out if you're in the area. And we take a little breaky?
Yes.
And then we're ready for the next food. Alright guys, we made it to Fort Lauderdale and there's this place I really want to try out which is called Rock Burger, and that's where we're at right now, but we're trying to find parking space right now. Alright guys, so I ordered mac and cheese and French toast lollipops, I think, and they said they only have kids mac and cheese. I don't know what that means, but I'm gonna get kids mac and cheese and the French toast, and I'm excited to try it. And are you gonna have some too? Are you gonna try it?
Yes, I will.
All right, so I'll show you when it's here.
You only have a few more bites.
That's enough.
That's enough? You're done?
Yeah, I don't want to overdo it with the mac and cheese because it was very cheesy.
Now on to
French toast sticks. You're gonna have one.
oh my goodness, thank you.
Oh my god.
Is it good?
Wow.
I want to try it.
This is like so crunchy on the outside. Like compared to what I had at Burger King this morning.
Yeah, that's like, I mean, come on, that's fast food.
Wow. Now this is probably the best French toast I've ever had.
Shut up. Really? Shut the front door.
It is so crunchy on the outside, but the inside dissolves in your mouth. It's crazy.
Yeah, anyway,
Alright, last one.
that's one thing. Let me get some little dunk action. You should add the sound effects.
It was worth it to come here for those. I film you trying it.
Oh, okay. Are you filming me?
Yeah.
Do I look beautiful?
You look stunning.
The master of taste. The tasteless. Ooh, is this cinnamon sugar?
Yes. Amazing, huh? Amazing, huh?
Way better than the Burger King French toast that I had this morning.
Yeah, but these are
fire.
right?
12 out of 10.
All right, on to the next. Alright guys, we did a quick pit stop at Cheesecake Factory because like I told you in my last video, I'm craving cheesecake, and I got a raspberry lemon cheesecake and a carrot cake cheesecake, and I'm gonna start with the raspberry one.
No, I don't want the first bite.
Last bite too. That was the last bite for you.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god! Actually, oh my god.
That's fire.
This is so good.
Good is an understatement.
This is fantastic.
It's an understatement.
think I'm able to get this to this level.
I believe you can.
That was so good, I cannot even. And now here, you want a little bit of carrot cake?
Yes, I do.
We have the carrot cake one. Okay, here, boobies. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, that's so good.
First one was better.
They're both so fire.
This one tastes fresh though.
It's amazing. The cream cheese icing on top. They're both 10 out of 10. This is, I think, half cream cheese cheesecake, half carrot cake. Guys, let me know in the comments down below if you want me to do a cheesecake mukbang. I love cheesecake. And now I promise we'll take a small break. Alright guys, we are back from Applebee's and we were excited for this. But somehow,
I still am excited.
I'm still excited too, but somehow we got a little screwed over, I feel like, because he ordered a quesadilla burger, which on the picture it showed that the burger was made, the burger buns were made out of quesadillas and then had the burger inside.
This doesn't look like
nothing. Like, it's like Instagram versus reality. I got tacos, I got chicken Alfredo, I got mashed potatoes, but a side salad is missing. And a coleslaw is missing. Anyways, we're gonna dig into this and give it a fair try. And are you ready?
I'm ready.
Let's do this. All right, I'm gonna go dig into a taco. What are you starting with?
I only have a burger.
No.
Okay.
Stupid question.
All right, guys. So here we go.
Cheers. The tacos are good. The tacos taste better than they look. I'm gonna try the chicken Alfredo next. I never had chicken Alfredo, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's
You never had chicken Alfredo?
No, so I'm gonna give it a try. It's a little dry. There's not a lot of sauce to it. Not a lot of taste to it, unfortunately.
Okay, so that's all right. So the quesadilla burger is kind of weak. I'm gonna give that like a 4 out of 10. I'm gonna eat this, but it's not that great. It's cool, a cool idea, but it just, the execution, it's meh.
Also, we have some garlic mashed potatoes. They're okay. Yeah, the picture looked so bomb of the quesadilla burger. The tacos are actually good. Guys, leave in the comments down below. Are you team soft shell or hard shell taco? Soft or hard shell?
Hard shell.
Soft shell?
Hard shells suck. What do you do?
I don't know.
Alright, so like I said, a 4 out of 10. It may have tasted different if I was in the restaurant.
You can have my taco because you're suffering. It's a really good taco.
Well, thank you.
I sacrifice it for you.
Thank you.
If you even want it.
So since Livia is a sweetheart, she gave me a taco. She says these tacos are amazing. She likes these tacos. I didn't even know she even liked tacos at all.
I'm not the biggest taco fan, but these are good.
Okay, well, let's go ahead and try it, and I'll be the judge of that.
You will be the judge of that.
Oh, wow. Yeah, it's good. That was fire.
That was good?
That was really good.
We have an apple fritter too.
We have an apple fritter. What do you think about it so far? The looks of it? Be honest.
It looks a little dry.
It does look dry.
So I want to open this ice cream. Can you open this? I want to take a bite out of this and tell you what I think, okay?
You're not gonna like it. It's burnt a little bit, huh?
This has no flavor.
How do I open this? This is like...
This is a piece of fried dough.
So this doesn't taste like anything?
No, try it.
There's no apple in it.
No, I think you're supposed to eat this.
I don't like this.
Right? I'm gonna try it with, to be fair, with the applesauce.
9. I think I'm gonna pass on this. I don't like this.
It's better with this because then the apple fritter just tastes like this. But it's not good, right? Here, taste these. These are super good.
I'm not eating though.
Yeah, this is the worst apple fritter I think I ever had that called himself apple fritter. And the ice cream is melted.
Can I put more apple?
Yeah, absolutely.
I'm not gonna eat the rest of this. No.
Oh, that was a disappointment, huh?
I'm not eating the apple fritter.
Alright guys, this is the end of this cheat day video I really enjoyed.
Oh, you're done? You're done?
Yes.
Oh, peace out.
I really enjoyed this day with you. We had so much fun.
Other than getting back used to the humid.
Yeah, it was pretty hot today, so it's hard to have a cheat day when it's hot because you're just sweating. And my makeup is everywhere, but yeah. Guys, thank you so much for watching. I'm back in the States for a few weeks now, so get ready for some awesome cheat days with some awesome food. And yeah, thank you so much for watching as always. I love you so much and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.
Hi. Hey, how are you? Bye.